The Sunbeam Safari Zoo. A Day of Wonder. The moment Mila and her brother Theo stepped into the Sunbeam Safari Zoo, they knew something was different. The air felt warm and buzzed with a gentle hum. Everything sparkled. It felt like the whole zoo was waking up just for them. Suddenly, they heard a loud, friendly voice call out from behind a giant golden rock. It was Lenny, the laughing lion. I traded my roar for laughs, he declared proudly. Much more fun. After his giggling welcome, he pointed them down a path that began to glow with a soft, inviting light. Mila, Theo, and their new friends Leo and Chloe followed the sparkling trail, their hearts thumping with excitement. They felt like true explorers on a magical quest. As they ventured deeper into the jungle, a tiny top hat suddenly dropped from the branches above them. A magician's job, Max the monkey magician explained with a wink, is to make ordinary things extraordinary. He bowed and the butterfly fruits dissolved into sparkles, leaving the children eager to see what other wonders the zoo held. Their journey led them to a quiet pond where Ellie the elephant greeted them. She dipped her long trunk into the glowing water. Good timing, she said softly, but you have to watch closely. It feels like running through the sky, Mila shouted, laughing as the colorful mist tickled her face. Theo tried to catch the droplets, but they popped into tiny stars before he could touch them. This zoo was more magical than they could have ever imagined. At the edge of the savannah, they met Zara, the official crossing guard. I'm Zara, the silly walk zebra, she announced, and nobody crosses this path without performing the silly walk. Everyone joined in. Mila hopped, Theo wiggled, and their new friends Ben and Sophie twisted and twirled. With every silly step, the path lit up brighter until the whole savannah was filled with laughter and a rainbow of light. From way up high on Gilly the giraffe's back, they could see everything. The glowing paths, the shimmering trees, and Ellie's rainbow fountain. It was more beautiful than anything they had ever seen. It's like the whole zoo is alive, Mila whispered in wonder. That's because it is, Gilly replied softly. The zoo wakes up for visitors who believe in magic. As Mila and Theo left, they knew they would never forget the day the Sunbeam Safari Zoo woke up just for them.